Hey everyone, welcome back to ClearTask. If you are wondering how to see exactly who reposted your TikTok videos, you might have seen some tutorials claiming there is a hidden button for it. Today I am going to give you the truth about how the repost feature actually works. First, let's clear up a common myth. Tapping the two arrows icon on your profile only shows the videos that you have reposted. Currently, TikTok does not have a direct list on your videos that reveals everyone who shared your content. But do not worry, there are still 3 ways you can find out who is reposting you. Method 1 is your inbox. Whenever someone reposts your video, TikTok usually sends you a notification. Just tap on your inbox, check your activity, and you will see alerts telling you which users shared your content. Method 2 is the For You page or Friends feed. If you and the person follow each other, their repost of your video might naturally pop up on your feed with a small note saying they reposted it. Method 3 requires a bit of detective work. If you suspect a specific person shared your video, simply go to their profile and tap on their Repost tab, which is the icon with the 2 arrows. If their reposts are set to public, your video will be sitting right there. And that is the real truth about checking your reposts. If you found this honest guide helpful, drop a like and do not forget to subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you next time.